What's up guys, welcome back to Ginger TV. So today we're gonna make a $7,500 PC build. Why 7,500 you may ask? Well, look at this and look how ridiculous this is. I don't know for you guys, but I was absolutely furious when Apple had the audacity of charging $7,500 for 8 cores, a 580X. Not only that, but only 256 gigabyte SSD with 32 gigabyte of RAM. What the hell, Apple? Who the hell you think you are? So today I'm gonna build the same exact price, but I'm gonna show Apple how much of a monster you can build for this price. To start off, we're not gonna take 8 cores, we're not gonna take 16 cores, give us 32 cores, 64 thread ripper. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you guessed it right, we're talking about the Threadripper 3970X 3.7 gigahertz processor. It's AMD, yes it is, but guess what, Apple? It does the job just fine. And hey, Apple, yes, your product looks damn good. It looks to be placed in an office, but guess what? My product, I'm gonna make it all black and maybe some little bit of white, so it's still classy and not too flashy. I'm not gonna have any RGB, I'm not gonna have any colors, just classy so you can see it in the office. And since most your products are aimed at creators, well, guess what? My motherboard has the word creator inside of it. And that's why I am going with the MSI Creator TRX40 Extended ATX motherboard. This board has everything you need. You want storage? No problem. You want M.2 drives? Ha! Please give me a challenge. You want to overclock your CPU? That's no worries, my boy. Now, let's talk about RAM. RAM is the subject that people think it doesn't matter or doesn't matter. Doesn't matter or it doesn't. Well, guess what? I don't care. I just went with 128 gigabyte of RAM, 32 times 4 gigabyte sticks. So if I want to upgrade in the future, I can do it with another 128 for a total of 256 gigabyte of RAM. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 256 gigabyte of RAM. And I went with the G.Skill Ripjaws 5 to stay with our aesthetic of all black, good for the office. So now, let's talk about storage. And you know, we have plenty of room for storage because what the hell are you gonna do with 256 gigabyte, Apple? That's why I'm going with the Corsair MP600 M.2 SSD of 2 terabytes. Yes, Apple, 2 terabytes, not your lonely 256 gigabytes. Please, are you a joke, Apple? Now, let's talk about the main event. We all love it. You love it. I love it. I wait for releases. It's the most expensive part of our... No, it's not. It's the second most expensive part of our build, the graphics card, the RTX 2080 Ti, the king of graphics card. No one can even get close to it. The powerhouse of the East, of the West, of the North, of the South, of everywhere. The Gigabyte GTX 2080 Ti will be my graphics card of choice for this insane powerhouse of a build. On top of all of this, you have your power supply, your case, your CPU cooler. These don't really affect anything, so I'll just put them right here in the list so you guys can compare and see what's wrong with Apple with their pricing. Alright guys, don't get me wrong, I'm not hating on Apple. Not at all, I am not hating on Apple, but their prices are absolutely ridiculous for the performance they're offering you. Yes, I understand there's the OS that you have to take care of, there's the labor and everything, so maybe the price is justifiable for them, but at the same time, well, it's like, come on Apple, I can build the same thing for like exponentially better. Please Apple, give us more power for a bit cheaper and we will like you. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and smash the like button and comment down below and let me know if you're a PC Master Race guy or are you an Apple guy. So, you know, we can maybe have arguments and chats and be like friends if we can. Yes. That's it. Subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.